If you're ready for your next motorhome, you really need to experience the world-class luxury of American Coach, now available at General RV. I'm Tom Bennett, and I'll be your motorhome specialist. If you want to experience everything this beautiful country has to offer, why not do it in this amazing American Eagle? There's a few things that really bring this coach to stand out, and it all starts with the Liberty Bridge foundation. Unlike other RV brands that just use C-channel rails, what the Liberty Bridge does is it uses I-beams that are much thicker and stronger. So what you have is a foundation built to last. It gives you the durability to have larger slides and more components on the inside as well. And paired with the Liberty Bridge on the Eagle, you have some of the top-end Freightliner components. The first thing you have is Road Watch. So that's a collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control software that's built into the coach. You have an independent front suspension system paired with a 24,000-pound V-Ride there in the back, and then a 14,000-pound tag. I always say that the more you weigh, the less you sway. So this is going to be an RV that rides and handles spectacularly well, especially with that steerable tag and independent suspension, allowing for far more comfortable parking and getting around tighter spots. Another very unique feature of the American Eagle is you have a 360 camera system. So you have a camera on each side, front and back of the coach, as well as the mirrors. So it gives you that bird's eye view of your RV as you're going through tighter spaces and parking. Also, this coach has the ISX 605 horsepower engine, the biggest engine on the block, paired with the Allison 4000 series transmission. You can tow 20,000 pounds behind this vehicle and handle it just fine. Let's take a look inside. So this is the American Eagle 45K. You notice luxury features everywhere, but I would like to start up in the cab. A few things that I would like to point out here is your technology package is just very available to see. You have your digital, OptiView digital dash through Freightliner that has information on your adaptive cruise control, collision mitigation, as well as your tire pressure monitoring and other components there. On these two screens is where you have your navigation, your 360 camera system, as well as your side and rear cameras, and also your Mobileye collision avoidance. But everything is very easy to get to, very open. Another nice touch, you actually have a roll down window over here. So it's pretty nice to see, as well as controls for your hydraulic leveling and your adaptive air leveling system. So you can actually adapt how your airbags handle the coach while you're on the road to give you a more stable ride. This coach really has every driving feature that an RV can have. Something else worth mentioning here, these seats are very comfortable, very wide, and it looks like they have AC and heat built in. I just think that's a nice touch. So one thing you'll notice about the 45K floor plan is that it is just wide open. And part of what makes that possible is this very long full wall hydraulic slide system. Something unique about what American Coach does with this slide is it is a hydraulic slide that gives you a completely flush floor, meaning there's no carpet anywhere in the RV and your tile just goes right into your slide. It's a luxury feature that just looks great. Also up here you have your Apex residential home furniture. You have all solid wood throughout the coach. I actually really like this glass inlay that they added right here. I think that was a good play. So stepping into the kitchen here, there's a few luxury pieces that I'd really like to point out. For one, this Cambria quartz with the waterfall edge adds a level of elegance that looks truly great. Also, how everything is finished moving around, you can see they didn't skimp on any of these portions. Custom solid woodwork with a glass inlay looks very good. And then your Blanco sink here. The wraparound design that you have here, though, really makes this a chef's kitchen. I also want to point out that you've got the knock lock dishwasher down here as well. And then a 2-burner induction cooktop right there. Geez, that thing is heavy. Another nice upgrade is going to be your refrigerator. What you have here is this very fancy refrigerator with a computer built into it, as well as a flex drawer. So what's unique about this drawer is that it can be either a fridge or a freezer. You can kind of design how you'd like for that to be. As we move back here, something a lot of new RVs have that you've never seen before is a level of technology that makes operating one truly simple. Right here from the center of your coach, you can control everything from the slides to your shades to see where your water levels are and control your electrical system as a whole. Also, this will connect to your cell phone, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. Moving back, this is your little half bath. Even here in the half bath, they've added the same level of elegance for your countertops and woodwork. And this is a very solid door. You have a nice little pantry to the left of your refrigerator. As you move back into the bedroom, you have a built-in fireplace right back here. So between your fireplace, the heated tile floors that you have, and your AquaHot system, you are capable in cold weather without a doubt. They have given us a ton of storage in here between all of these drawers and hanging closets that you have. Also back here, there's a hidden place for the safe. This is a pretty neat thing to add to it. Your bed here, I'd also like to point out that it's a Sleep Number bed with controls on both sides. And then you have the wireless chargers built in there. Another nice touch is they have that same Cambria quartz on both ends as well. Moving back towards the bathroom, this is where this floor plan really does shine. You've got a great size shower with a built-in seat, but you can see the elegance in how this wall is put together with the separate diverter right there and then a built-in piece here. Also, you have dual vanities. I always thought it was pretty unique how they set those up a little bit different right there. And then you have some added storage back here as well. Moving back, you've got a stackable washer dryer and then a full hanging closet there in the back. So this floor plan is really capable for somebody who would spend a lot of time or near full time in an RV. Thank you for joining me for a first look at the American Eagle, the gold standard for RV travel. To find out more about this beauty and get up close and personal, come visit us at one of our super centers nationwide, or check us out on our website, generalrv.com. Until next time, I'm Tom Bennett, motorhome specialist here at General RV. See you down the road.